Hello and welcome to Babysteps in Create Studio 4 Part 3, the Lightning Builder. I'm Tony at Tony's Tutorials and we're on version 4.0.7 of Create Studio 4. Right, I'm going to put my cursor on the Lightning Builder. As you can see, it's where the rounded rectangular is in grey, and it's got a rounded square on it with the white lightning on it, and it's in red, the square is, and it says Lightning Builder on it. So all that rectangle is clickable, so you can click on it anywhere, and it gives you the first step to the Lightning Builder, which is choosing your video ratio. And you've got the square 1:1, which is great for social videos on Facebook, Instagram and other social platforms. The standard 16:9, which is the best option for most videos, great for websites, landing pages and YouTube, or the 9:16, which is the vertical 9:16 videos, which you can use for mobile stories on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube and Instagram. So first of all, what we're going to do is click on the 16:9, because that's the one I usually use, and you'll see we go to step 2, which is choose your style of video. There's plenty to choose from here, as I'll show you by just dragging down, and you can see all the different types there are. Try not to go too fast, but I've got to make it reasonably quick. Okay, so I hope that ain't too blurry for you, but there's quite a lot of different choices, and I think we're near the end. That's it. I'll bring it back up nice and steady as I can. Okay. You can see what's going on, what types there are, stuff like that. I've got a plan of action already, so I'm going to go for the kids online adventures, right? I'm going to left click on that particular thumbnail, and it brings you to all the scenes that are available for that particular niche, or whatever you call it, you know, subject, right? So at the moment it's not subcategories, it's all the categories. So if you want a subcategory, you can start with openers, and these are all in order of preference according to how people supposed to do their videos, right? So if you do openers first, you can click on add one, and it'll add it up there by left clicking that, right? And it tells you what they are and what that's introducing. You could also introduce your characters, so you could put that one on as well, so that would work as a pair. But say you put that on by accident and you thought, nah, I don't want to, when you've got the cursor on it, it will show the trash bin, so you can delete it like that, right? So next we can go to content. You can put more than one on each one if you wish, but
math is fun when you solve puzzles.
So I'll just do that. And the same with the problems. You got me on more than one problem. I want to do the
managing our time can be tricky, especially.
So add that one and go to solutions. I'm going to pick on this one because that one fits with the rest of the scene, and we're going to carry on with that, and we'll go for Bella this time. We've got a different person on, right? And we're going to go for call to action.
Learning is always
fit. Okay, so now we've got the 6 of them on. You can put transitions between them. I have found problems with adding transitions. You find sometimes that it will not render when you're trying to publish it, so I'm not going to put any transitions on in between them. Okay, I'm just warning you about that in case it does happen. It might be a transition, so there you go. Right, I will not put transitions on them, but I will have a word with Create Studio Support about the transitions not working right anyway. I'm going to go to the editor now, which I click on the go to the editor button, but it does not take me straight to the editor. It brings up choose a musical style. So I'm going to choose a happy style, which is great for kids basically, and then it comes up with creating the project. I'm just going to pause for a second while it creates the project. Okay, it took about a minute to just sort that out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight down to the music, click on it, and I want to change the volume down to somewhere around 12 because it might be a bit too loud otherwise, and I'll press enter once I put the 12 in there. So that should be okay. Now let's just play it and see how it goes.
Welcome to Kids Online Adventures, where every session is a new discovery. Join us as we embark on journeys filled with fun and learning. Math is fun when you solve puzzles and play exciting games that challenge your mind. You'll think, solve, and have a great time mastering those numbers. Managing our time can be tricky, especially with so many exciting things to do. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but we have solutions. Engaging activities and interactive elements keep us focused and excited to learn. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to fun learning.
By mastering new skills, you gain confidence and showcase your achievements. With each new ability, you become more confident and capable.
Learning is always fun and exciting with Kids Online Adventures. Our sessions are designed to make education an enjoyable experience.
Okay, that was pretty good. I like that. That was pretty good. What I want to do though is I want to do some changes to it. Like so, for this scene, the last scene, it says buy this for only $25. I want to change that to pounds. So I'm going to go here, click on the scene there just once, and as you look on the settings, it's changed the settings, so you can change the images if you wish. I'm not going to, but I want to change that the wording to £25 or £20 something, because $25 is around £20, isn't it? I think, or something. 22 or £23. It's cheaper anyway. English money is slightly different. I'll do that. Right, so that'll be okay. So leave it at that. And then I want to go to one of the beginning ones and change a video. So to do that, I need to go to this one. This is this one somewhere, and I need to be about here. I want to change this video for a different one. To do that, because I've clicked on the scene, that scene's come up and it's the first video there. All I need to do is replace it, and I need to have my video either in media or global. Go to global, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit with this scroll bar here, and there's the video I want to change it for. I'll click on that and it should go in there given time. There you go, it's on. That's great. That's exactly what I wanted, and that's what's happened. So I have changed it. Right, I haven't changed many of them, and I could do with changing more really. So if I was actually doing it properly, I would change a lot more, but that's just how to edit it very easily without going into the scene. And once you've done that, you just click on save the project. Say I'm happy with the project, so I want to save it. I'm going to save it as let me just see, where's that one? I want to go to desktop with that as that one. Right, just save it as that. Copy that and just go in there like this. Paste that one on like that and do that. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay, now I've done that, what I want to do is publish it. To publish it, I'm just clicking on the publish button because I've saved it already. Once you're ready to publish it, that's what you do. You have to save it first. Then you go to video, MP3 or MP4, sorry. You can change the standard if you wish. You can buy a standard or whatever. I'm going to try it without doing anything else to it. I'm just going to try and do it straight. it might get stuck. If it does, then I'll have to do something different to it. So I need to put, at the moment, I'm going to put it on desktop for starters, and then I want to change it to that name as well, Kids Online Adventures, blah blah blah. Right, so I'll do that. I just need to take off the CSPRO and the dot. So that's that. Right, so that's done. And it should come up. We'll just see if it works. It might just get stuck on 2. Might have to change the HW accelerator to take it off. It might carry on, we'll see in a minute. It's not going very fast at the moment though, so hopefully it should go all the way through. If it doesn't, might have a problem with it. We'll see in a minute. It's just gone funny. You might just stop there. If it stops there, that's it. I'm gonna pause it a minute. I might have to change it and redo it. We've saved it anyway, so we can just re-go through with saving it again. Like so, I can put it back on as a save image if it doesn't work. That's stopped, so I'm gonna have to take that off. It's stuck on 2, so I'll take that off. We'll go out of the program, go back into the program in a minute, create Studio 4 like that. Right, this can happen sometimes. If this happens, there are certain things you can do. I'm going to take off the HW accelerator, see if that works. Right, so what I need to do is go open project. Where's the project now? There it is. Open and project CJCSPRO, and that will come back up. Do not put recover from backup now, because I've already set it up from the project I just saved, which is the end product. Right, I want it to be the product I've just done. Right, so the project, yeah. So just wait for a minute for it to load up. It should load up very soon, hopefully. And I'll just take off HW accelerator when I go to publish it in a moment. And we'll try it again. If that doesn't work, then you take off you take off that, and you put on old accelerator engine, or old rendering engine, sorry. We'll see how it goes anyway, because it might not work. If it does work, then fair enough. So I've already got it saved anyway, so I'm just going to just publish, take off hardware accelerator, output. I'm going to do that again, so just click on there and just do paste that, take off the CSPRO again like that, and just do save, and hopefully that should come up. If it works, then that's fine. If it doesn't, if it still doesn't work, we'll have to try the old rendering engine. But as you can see, I've took off the hardware acceleration there, so that might work. If it doesn't work, we can try the other, and if that still doesn't work, then I've got to contact the support, as there might be a problem. Yeah, seems to be a problem. Oh, it's gone to 3. Oh, it seems to be carrying on, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause this while it's doing that. It might just finish it, hopefully. When we get to near the finish, I will start up the video again, just to show you. Okay, so it's just finished rendering, and I'm going to open the file to show you what it looks like. Okay, so open the file and it comes up.
Welcome to Kids Online Adventures, where every session is a new discovery. Join us as we embark on journeys filled with fun and learning. Math is fun when you solve puzzles and play exciting games that challenge your mind. You'll think, solve, and have a great time mastering those numbers. Managing our time can be tricky, especially with so many exciting things to do. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but we have solutions. Engaging activities and interactive elements keep us focused and excited to learn. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to fun learning.
By mastering new skills, you gain confidence and showcase your achievements. With each new ability, you become more confident and capable.
Learning is always fun and exciting with kids' online adventures. Our sessions are designed to make education an enjoyable experience.
Okay, that's pretty good, isn't it? Right. So that's how you use the Lightning Builder. I am going to talk to support about the transition problem, and you know there might be other errors as well which cause you have to change the way you publish a video, but that's how you create a Lightning Builder. And I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you will like and subscribe to Tony's Tutorials for enjoying my video, and I hope you have a good day as well. So thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and have a good day. Bye bye.